Creating a new ulnar collateral ligament is the easy part. It takes a grueling 9 to 15 months of physical therapy, strength training, and a progressive throwing program to return a pitcher to the mound.
Okay, so let's break it up like this. Maybe a 10-month process doing the Tommy John rehabilitation. Might be 12 months, might be 9 months. It all depends on the patient.
Correct.
Break it up into 3 phases.
The first phase is a control the inflammation, swelling, and control the pain, and initiate your motion.
So a lot of ice.
Yes, a lot of ice at the beginning.
Okay, how about phase 2? Where would that put us? About 6 or 8 weeks out at that point?
Right, and we start some light strengthening program, which initially, even before we do grab little dumbbells, we might do some isometrics where you basically press it against your own hand, and we progress onto the dumbbell program.
Okay, how about when do we start throwing?
Usually about 20 weeks, we will start an interval throwing program.
Usually a lot of guys aren't back to full strength until 18 months, even though they may come back quicker, but they don't expect the guy to come back to full strength for maybe a year and a half, sometimes 2 years. Does that seem to be true?
That's correct.
A lot of people talk about, guys have Tommy John surgery and they end up throwing harder after they come back from that surgery. And it has nothing to do with the actual surgery, I don't think. I think it has to do with the extensive rehabilitation. Without this surgery, there is no way you're going to spend this much time on this area around your shoulder and your elbow just because it's so monotonous, but it's just hitting every muscle around there that when you come back, you're as strong as you can possibly be.